Today, we're exploring the journey of Conan Gray, the pop prince for sad teens, who transitioned from a beloved YouTuber to a global arena headlining superstar. Known for his raw, vulnerable songwriting in hits like Heather and Maniac, he has long resonated with queer audiences worldwide. So, is Conan Gray gay? Let's find out. Conan Gray's rise to fame was built on radical honesty. Since his early days filming videos in his bedroom in Texas, he has shared his deepest insecurities and heartbreaks with his audience. While his music frequently explores themes of unrequited love and identity, Conan has famously resisted the pressure to define himself with a specific label. In 2020, he addressed the constant speculation about his sexuality on social media, stating that labels on sexuality, gender, and beliefs are not helpful for him, and asking fans to stop trying to shove him into a neat little, easy-to-understand box. Despite his private nature, Gray has increasingly leaned into queer aesthetics and themes in his art. His massive hit Heather was inspired by a high school crush on someone who loved another girl. More recently, his 2025 album Wishbone took a bolder step, featuring a series of cinematic music videos that explicitly depict a romance between two men, played by Gray and his longtime friend, actor Corey Fogelmenis. Is Conan Gray gay? Conan Gray remains unlabeled regarding his sexual orientation. While he is widely recognized as an LGBTQ+ icon and a pioneer for queer men in pop music, he has never used the term gay to describe himself, instead preferring to let his music and visual art speak for his experiences. In his personal life, Gray remains notoriously private. Although he shared a viral kiss on stage with fellow artist Role Model at the Governor's Ball in June 2025 and fueled dating rumors with Corey Fogelmanis during the Wishbone era, he has clarified that these were largely creative and professional moments. He recently noted that while he previously stated he had never actually dated, he has matured and experienced love and heartbreak more fully in recent years, though he has not confirmed a specific partner. Conan Gray has transformed from a shy internet creator into a boundary-breaking artist who prioritizes authenticity over categorization. While he continues to celebrate and uplift the LGBTQ+ community, he maintains that his personal life is not a fun scavenger hunt for the public to solve. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite artists and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.